yung sinasabi ng mabuhay ka, Congressman Jose Alvarez po. Si Margaret ito, hindi ko kilala kung sino itong Margaret na padala sa akin. I'm writing on behalf of Congressman Mike Defensor to request for your endorsement of impeachment complaint against PDBM for graft and corruption and the trial of public trust. Your principled stance, binula pa ako, your principled stance on accountability makes you an ideal endorser. We respectfully request for your public endorsement to strengthen this effort and uphold the rule of law. Attached is the full complaint for your review. Thank you for your consideration. Hello po, will you endorse? Ang sagot ko, no, sorry. Hindi ko pa nabasa eh. Pinapa-endorse agad sa akin. Pinaprint ko kaya kakapal. So, sunod noon, kasama na po ako rito sa Marines. Pero I can say categorically, wala po ako tinanggap na maliit na kaigan.